Guys, Real McCoy back at you. Wanted to go ahead and do my wash and go since I said in one of my videos that I could use these creams to get my wash and go, and by golly, I'm gonna get it. So my hair is freshly washed. I used, my cousin Amber. She called everybody cousin. She put me on to this VO5. And this is the kiwi lime squeeze with lemongrass extract. This is a clarifying shampoo. Removes dueling residue since I have low porosity hair. And it's paraben free and silicone free. Same thing for the conditioner. I use the conditioner as well. So my hair is feeling clean and it's not feeling overly clean. Like it has not been stripped of all of my nutrients. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put my hair the way that I'm going to be wearing it, with my side part, and then I'm going to put some leave-in conditioner on it and a little of my Alakay Naturals just to give it a little moisture. I wanted to show y'all, yes, you can use a non-gel to get a beautiful, and I do mean beautiful, wash and go. And I'm going to divide this part back here into fours, because that's how I have to divide my hair. 1 in the top and 4 in the back. And I'm going to start with that back piece. So I'm actually just going to divide into 3 sections, leaving this section hanging down in the back. Heard. And this is going to be a quick video, but it'll take my time with my hair. So as far as my leave-in conditioner, I am using Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco. It strengthens and shines leave-in conditioner. Yes, that's what it said. And it says shake to activate. Sure. And I'm going to rub that into my hair, making sure that my hair gets all of that shaken cream. Now, I may not add the Alakay simply because I want to use the Alakay when I get ready to do a twist out that I'm going to practice on. Okay? So just disregard what I said about the Alakay. But when my hair dries, I'm going to use the Alakay and put up my 2-strand twist. First, I'm going to be adding what little I have left. The cream, moisture cream. This is by Coconut Restore. It's a triple butter. Child, we may have to come up with something else. It's empty. I done scrubbed and scrub what I can scrub. Get that little bit. I'm going to go ahead and apply that little bit to the back and go ahead and add my mousse. And I can't believe that's all I had. I'm not going to check the container. Should have knew it before I used it. I'm going to open up the mousse. This is the mousse. Well, my hair is thick, but I hope I have enough of this to get done what I say I'm going to get done. Yeah. This is my mystery spray. You ain't gotta know everything. I can tell you it's not just water. Matter of fact, ain't no water in it. It's got aloe vera juice in it. Making sure I use my brush. And on thicker parts like this, I have to pull out the bigger Denman brush. Yeah. Pull out the bigger Denman brush. Yes, yes. See what little cream I got? Just kidding. Now what I do to make them just a little more defined, I'll go in there and bloop, 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 bloop. Or all of my little magic stuff is gone. Well, this is really like a afro washing up, because I see that I cannot. I'm going to lay down if I have to use all of my mousse. I'm playing. People with long hair are not the only ones that can have a wet wash and go that can lay down. My hair is thick. Yes, my hair is thick. But it has defined curls that just need to lay they ass down. I'm just gonna work it in. What's the worst that can happen? I have to shampoo my hair again. The mousse don't get hard. Then again, I never used as much. I think my hair is gonna lay its ass down today. Got me here in front of all these 300 subscribers and not gonna lay your ass down. The devil is a lie. You're gonna lay your ass down today. I know you think I'm crazy. I am. My hair was not finna get on here and make an ass out of me today. When I know off camera it lays down. Now I know I ran out of the cream. I had to use a little more product. But that's what it's for. It's for you to use it. But my hair don't tell me what to do. I tell my hair what to do. It's shampooed, it's conditioned, my curls are defined, and they laying they ass down. Okay, that's it for this video. Oh, this shit's dry. No, but honestly, it's not gonna use. It's a mousse. How it is just how it is. I'm out of this. So, I'm out of it, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I'm halfway. I ain't used all my mousse. It still look full. Okay, my hair is soft. It smells just like the mousse in the leave-in conditioner. I just had to use more product. And turn around. Now, who say short girls can't use no gel and get their hair to lay its ass down? Huh? Okay, well, if you're new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I promised to wash and go with no gel, and that's what I did. I pretty much used the mousse. And this is a coconut restore mousse. It's free from sulfates, parabens, and artificial dyes. Free from petroleum and mineral oil. Next, what y'all want to see next out there that the long hair people and the clip-in people and those people say that we can't do? We can do it. Leave your comments and stuff below. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. This video is about to go up now. No editing. I'm out.